Why is it that you go along like those public walkways, it's like hidden in foliage and shit, like surrounded by trees. It feels like you're walking in a forest. There's always that one path, and it's always gonna have at least one shirtless man. And I cannot tell you, I've been walking for the past like 35 minutes. I have seen at least 5 shirtless men just come running past me. Who decided to, why are you running shirtless? Why in front of me? And like, you do you, boy, you go, but like, keep it in the house?